In this video, I am going to teach you how to lock files in Microsoft Teams by managing access through OneDrive. This is perfect if you want to stop other people from editing your files. Let's get started. In managing access to the files, you need to go to the OneDrive application and sign into your account. Double check that you're signed in with the same account connected to your Microsoft Teams. Right-click on the file you want to lock, then click Manage Access. Make sure you select the correct file to avoid locking the wrong document. Now choose Start Sharing. This will open up the sharing settings so you can adjust who can access the file. Click the gear icon at the top right corner of the sharing window. This opens more advanced sharing options. Make sure to choose People You Choose and set the access permission to Can View Only. This will prevent others from editing the file. After you finish all the settings, just click Apply. Double-check your changes to make sure the file is locked properly. And that's how you lock files in Microsoft Teams using OneDrive. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tech tips. See you next time!